Recording in progress.
Di ko na magamit sa kong...
Good afternoon, everyone. Magandang hapon, LaSalle Academy, Ligan City. We are pleased to welcome you to the online library literacy program offered by the DOST STII Library. This program is an online adaptation of our on-site library tour and orientation. Its purpose is to educate stakeholders on utilizing the DOST STII services and resources, including the Online Public Access Catalog or the OPAC for online material requests and various DOST Starbucks platforms, whether it be offline, online, and mobile apps. My name is Grace Ann Bolondo. You may call me Grace. I am a science research specialist too, and one of the Reader Services librarian at the DOST STII Library. We extend a special welcome once again to the LaSalle Academy who are joining us this afternoon. We hope you find this program both enjoyable and informative. We are also delighted to be joined by Ma'am Linderlet Maglake, the head librarian of the DOST STII Library, and Ms. Irene Brillo, head of the Reader Services Unit of the DOST STII Library, as well as school administrators from LaSalle Academy, Lanao del Norte, Mr. J.A. Velez, the school president, Ma'am Concepcion D. Uy, the school principal, Ms. Leila T. Simbahon, VP for Senior High School, Mr. George B. Puertas Jr., the LRC head, and lastly, Ma'am Jocelyn C. Magbulinte, the school principal of Corpus Christi Parochial School of Iligan. At this point, may I call on Mr. George B. Puertas Jr., the LRC head, to give us a brief opening message.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. It is with great pleasure that I am welcome you all today's DOST STII Library Literacy Program. A significant initiative aimed at empowering our students with essential research and information literacy skills. On behalf of the LaSalle Academy, I extend my gratitude to our school administrators, headed by our school president, Mr. J.A. Velez, our school principal, Mrs. Concepcion D. Uy, and our senior high school vice principal, Ms. Laila T. Sumbahon, for their unwavering support in fostering a culture of learning and innovation. A special welcome as well to our partner school and neighboring institution, particularly the Corpus Christi Parochial School of Iligan, represented by their school principal, Mrs. Jocelyn C. Maglente, and their library in charge, Ms. Antonieta B. Baliling. Your collaboration and participation, each endeavor, and we are honored to share this platform of knowledge with you. To our grade 11 students, this platform is an opportunity to enhance your ability to navigate and utilize digital resources effectively. In the fast digital era, the ability to access, evaluate, and apply information responsible in a skill that will serve you in your academic journey. The DOST STII online library is not just a repository of knowledge. It is a gateway to limitless learning opportunities that can serve, inspire, curiosity, and intellectual growth. Lastly, I would like to acknowledge the library staff and all those who work behind the scene. This event is not possible, and your dedication to promoting literacy and research excellence is truly commendable. Let us take full advantage of this program, engage actively, and continue to cultivate a passion of learning. Once again, welcome, and may today's session be a meaningful and enriching experience for all. Daghang salamat, and may God bless us all.
Daghang salamat po, Sir Puertas, for that heartfelt opening message. Let's now proceed. Our program consists of two parts. Part one is getting to know the DOST STII services, resources, and products. And our part two is researching in DOST STII library, navigating the online public access catalog, and requesting library materials. But before we begin, let me briefly outline a few housekeeping rules to ensure a smooth and productive session. we have 4 house rules. Number 1, this webinar will be recorded for documentation purposes. Number 2, please use the Q&A chat box for questions. We will have a dedicated question and answer portion later in the program, and please feel free to type your questions in the Zoom chat box. We will collect and address them during that time. Should any questions remain unanswered, please do not hesitate to email them to us at library@stii.dosd.gov.ph. And third, be polite, pay attention, and actively participate. And lastly, an evaluation will be provided in exchange of the e-certificate of attendance. Regarding House Rule number 4, please note that certificates of attendance will only be issued to those who complete the evaluation form. A link to the form will be shared in the chat box at the end of the program. We encourage everyone to fill it out to help us improve future sessions. All right, get ready for some fun and fruitful discussion because today is your lucky day. We have a fantastic team of presenters lined up just for you. For part 1, the Getting to Know DOST STAI Services, Resources, and Products, it will be presented by Ma'am Linderlet M. Maglake, the Supervising Science Research Specialist and the Head Librarian of the DOST STAI Library. And for the part 2, Researching in DOST STAI Library, Navigating the Online Public Access Catalog and Requesting Library Materials will be presented by Ms. Irene A. Brillo, Science Research Specialist 2 and the Head of the Reader Services Unit. Now, the big question is, who is DOST, or the Department of Science and Technology? Here's a brief overview. Established as the National Science Development Board, NSDB, on June 13, 1958, through Republic Act 2067, the agency underwent a transformation in 1982, becoming the National Science and Technology Authority, or the NSTA, via Executive Order 784, dated March 17, 1982. And finally, on January 30, 1987, through Executive Order 128, the agency was renamed the Department of Science and Technology, a name it proudly holds today. And our department secretary is Dr. Renato U. Salidum Jr. since 2022. Now, let me briefly introduce the 18 attached agencies of the DOST. Yes, 18 attached agencies po ang meron ang DOST. On the left portion of your screen, we have the sectoral planning councils. So these councils fund and monitor research and development, or what we call the R&D projects that later make an impact on national priorities addressing pressing concerns in transportation, agriculture, fisheries, energy, and health. The councils include, number 1, PICARD, or the Philippine Council for Agriculture, Aquatic and Natural Resources, Research and Development. They are the agency responsible for funding R&D projects in the agriculture, aquatic, and the natural resources sectors. The next one from this group, we have the PCHRD, or the Philippine Council for Health, Research and Development, or they are focused on supporting R&D projects in the health and medical industry. And the last one from this group, we have the PCIRD, or the Philippine Council for Industry, Energy, and Emerging Technology Research and Development. They support R&D projects in the industry, energy, and emerging technology sectors. Now, on the next box on your lower left corner features the S&T services, which include the following agencies. We have the PAG-ASA, or the Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical, and Astronomical Services Administration. So they provide weather forecasts, tropical cyclone warnings, and flood forecasting information. Next, we have the PHIVOLCS, or the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology. They monitor the volcano, earthquake, and tsunami activities and issues necessary warnings while also providing detailed information on this natural phenomena. Next, we have the PSHSS, or the Philippine Science High School System. They offer scholarship and science and technology focused secondary education to Filipino students, preparing them for careers in science and technology. And of course, us, the STII, the Science and Technology Information Institute. Our agency is responsible for establishing a comprehensive science and technology data bank and library with a wide variety of learning resources. And the last from this group, the TAPI, or the Technology Application and Promotion Institute. They promote the commercialization of technologies and markets the services of other DOST agencies while also assisting in securing intellectual property such as patents, utility models, industrial designs, copyrights, and trademarks. On the right side of the presentation, we have the collegial and scientific bodies. We only have two agencies under this. One is the NAST, or the National Academy of Science and Technology. They primarily gives recognition to outstanding Filipino scientists and advises the policymakers on science and technology matters as the DOST's advisory arm. And the last one from this group, we have the NRCP, or the National Research Council of the Philippines. They promote basic research to enhance the capabilities of researchers, scientists, engineers, and artists, serving as an advisory body to the government with over 6,000 member experts across various fields. Now, the final box on the slide represents the R&D Institute. We have first on our list the ASTI, or the Advanced Science and Technology, with focus on strengthening and modernizing information and communications technology and microelectronics while also delivering technology solutions. The next one, we have the FNRI, or the Food and Nutrition Research Institute, the government's research arm in food and nutrition, which defines the nutritional status of the citizenry, especially concerning malnutrition, and undertakes R&D projects to address it. The next one is the FPRDI, or the Forest Products Research and Development Institute. They conduct research and development on wood and non-wood forest products to improve their utility, quality, serviceability, and economic value. The next one, we have the ITDI, or the Industrial Technology Development Institute. They provide technical services along with the technology transfer and commercialization initiatives to modernize the production sector and boost industry productivity. They also offer testing and laboratory facilities. And the next one, we have the MIRDC, or the Metals Industry Research and Development Center. They also offer testing and analysis, industrial training, facility sharing, and generates new technologies through basic and applied R&D, along with disseminating these technologies via consultancy and training. And we also have the PNRI, or the Philippine Nuclear Research Institute. They conduct research and development in the peaceful applications of nuclear energy, institutes regulations, and enforces safety measures protecting radiation workers and the public. And the last one from this group, we have the PTRI, or the Philippine Textile Research Institute. They focus on applied R&D specifically for the textile industry. Additionally, besides this 18 attached agencies, there are 16 regional offices and 80 provincial science and technology centers, or what we call the PSTO, is strategically assigned across the regions. I am now pleased to introduce our first presenter, Ma'am Linderlet M. Maglake, the head librarian of the DOST STII. Ma'am Maglake will be presenting the part one of our program. Please join me in giving her a warm welcome.
Hi! I hope you are all doing well. I am Linderlit M. Maglake. I am the head librarian of DUST Science and Technology Information Institute, and I am here today to share what are the different services, resources, and products of DUST STI. So, let's start. Let's get to know DUST, Science and Technology Information Institute. So, we are the information and the marketing arm of the Department of Science and Technology. And we have 3 mandates. We are mandated to establish a science and technology library. So that's DUST STI library. Second mandate is to disseminate science and technology information. So we do disseminate S&T information in all formats and in all platform. Ayan, so we have our own publications. We also promote using our social media accounts. We also have mobile apps and through our broadcasting programs. And third mandate is to undertake training on science and technology information. So we also conduct trainings on science journalism and also in different trainings on the field of S&T. So we provide S&T information services through our library. So ito po ang DUST STI Library. So we are located at DUST Complex, General Santos Avenue, Bicutan, Taguig City. We are inviting you all na sana makapunta kayo dito sa aming library. And we are open from Monday to Friday between 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. without noon break. Ayan, with no noon break. Open po kami kahit during lunch break. And also, here are the following contact details. In case na kayo po ay hindi makapunta dito dahil medyo malayo ang Bikutan, ayan, we are encouraging you to please contact us. Pwede kayong mag-request ng material sa amin online without coming here sa Bikutan. So, paano ba yan? Mamaya, ituturo ko sa inyo. So, for now, so you can take a screenshot of this, yung aming mga contact details para hindi nyo makalimutan kung saan kami kukontakin. So, you can email us sa library at stai.dust.gov.ph. You can like and follow us sa aming Facebook page at STI Library. You can also follow us sa aming Instagram account at dust.stai Library and also follow us sa Twitter at STI_library. And kung gusto nyong mapanood yung mga nakonduct na namin na training, seminars, and hybrid sessions, you can subscribe sa aming YouTube channel sa DUST STI Library. And syempre, hindi magpapahuli po ang ating library. Meron na rin kaming TikTok account. So please like us, follow us at STI Library. And nabanggit ko kanina, pwede kayong mag-request ng material sa amin via email, di ba? So you can browse our collection at signet.dust.gov.ph. So these are the different sections of the library. So first is the general reference and foreign titles. So dito nyo makikita yung ating mga foreign collections of books and journals. We also have here the general references. We have encyclopedias, dictionaries, and almanacs. Next is the Star Books area where we exhibit the different versions of Star Books. We have Star Books offline, Star Books online, and mobile apps. Mga mobile apps ng Starbooks, we have Starbooks Finder, Starbooks mobile app version, Starbooks quiz app, and the Wiz app. So mamaya iisa-isahin din natin yan. Next, we have the Filipiniana section where you can see the thesis and dissertations na ating mga DUST scholars. We also have here investigatory projects and mga DUST publications and books and journals na published in the Philippines. And inside the Filipiniana section, we also have here the interactive space where we have 10 computer units na libreng-libreng pwedeng gamitin na ating mga library clients. Meron din dito mga VR box and AR markers na located within the section. And we have here the digitization room. So kung dito namin ginagawa, kino-convert yung mga print materials into its digital format. So kung nakita nyo dito sa picture, we have here high-end book scanner na ginagamit namin para ma-convert yung mga print materials. So yung room na to, ito yung scanning room, and then we have the processing room. So for example, yung mga na-scan na materials, ayan, kailangan niya mag-undergo ng processing kasi for example, may mga misaligned na pages, ayan, medyo i-rotate yan. Kung faded yung pagkaka-scan, syempre i-enhance yung print. For example, yellowish na yung paper. Yan, karamihan kasi ay mga earliest copy yung andito. So, i-convert yun. So, we make sure na yung ibibigay namin sa inyo, sa aming mga clients, ay clean copy na. Yan, para madali nyo nang mabasa. Next, we have the repair room. So, dito sa repair room, we have 5 equipments na ginagamit namin sa pag-repair ng materials. So, just sa trivia, madalas na nasisira sa isang libro o sa isang journal ay yung kanyang binding. So, usually, natatanggal yung kanyang, napupulit na yung kanyang cover, nagkakahiwa-hiwalay na yung pages. That's why we have the repair room. So, dito namin siya ginagawa. And next, we have the archives. Yung archives naman, this is where we store our archival materials, yung mga with permanent value. Dito nyo rin makikita yung ating mga earliest copy ng Philippine Journal of Science. Ayan. So yung first issue niya na 1906, yung 118 years na this year, dito nyo siya makikita. So we collect DUST publications, investigatory projects, thesis and dissertations of DUST scholars, reference materials on science, technology, and innovation, and yung mga books and serials. And we offer the following services. We offer library material requests for on-site sa mga walk-in. Nag-accept kami ng walk-in clients, and also online. Pwede kayo mag-request via email. We also offer library tour and orientation. So kung magkakanda kayo ng inyong mga educational tour, we accept that. Ayan. And then we also offer online library literacy program, just like what we're having right now. This is the online version of our online library tour and orientation. And we also offer library benchmarking for on-site. Pwede kayong pumunta dito para makita yung mga best practices namin in library management and digitization. And we can also do this online. Ayan, so via Zoom. We also offer library training and seminars. So nagkakandak ang library ng quarterly ng hybrid session. So hybrid na siya kasi meron na tayong you can come here kung gusto nyong on-site na mag-participate sa aming training. Meron kaming mini theater. You can also join us via online, via Zoom or Facebook Live. And kung meron naman kayong prior commitment during our session or our seminar, pwede nyo panoorin, i-replay nyo yung aming session sa aming YouTube channel. And lastly, we offer library internship. So nag-a-accept po kami ng mga LIS students na pwedeng naghahanap kung saan sila pwedeng mag-conduct na kanilang internship. For library material request, so open po ito sa lahat na interested individuals kayo. Pwede kayong mag-request sa amin ng material. So paano ba? You can just browse our library collection at DUST SCII Libraries online public access catalog at signet.dust.gov.ph and email nyo lang yung material request nyo at library@stai.dust.gov.ph. So usually ginagawa nila, ini-screenshot na lang nila and then yun na yung attachment and ini-email nila sa amin. And then for library tour and orientation, yan, who may avail, available po ito sa lahat ng private, public schools, institutions in all levels. And napakadaling mag-avail. Mag-write lang kayo ng request letter addressed to the office of the director not less than 5 working days before the actual date of tour and email it at library@stai.dust.gov.ph. Yan. So just to share some of the photos during our library tour and orientation. And then we have the online version, katulad natin nitong ginagawa natin, the online library literacy program. So again, this is open to all private and public schools, institutions in all levels. And how to avail? Just send a request letter through email at library@stai.dust.gov.ph not less than 5 working days before the actual date of program. For library benchmarking, if you are looking for best practices in library management and digitization practices, so open po ito to all interested institution. And to avail, just write a request letter addressed to the office of the director not less than 5 working days before the actual date of visit and email it at library@stai.dust.gov.ph. Yan, just to share some of the photos during benchmarking activities. And for library trainings and seminars, The library conducts trainings and seminars on science and technology and library science topics. And these are all open to all interested individuals. So sa inyo, ayan, pwedeng-pwede kayong mag-join sa amin. So how to avail? Registrations and details are posted on the official social media accounts of the UST STII Library. So follow nyo lang kami sa aming mga social media accounts. Yan, to share some of the photos na nakandak na namin trainings and workshops. And lastly, the library internship program. So who may avail? Lahat po ng universities, colleges, institutions offering LIS or Library and Information Science courses. To avail, just write a letter of intent addressed to the office of the director not less than 1 month before the start of the internship program and email it at library@stai.dust.gov.ph. Yan. So, some photos ng mga nakapag-intern na sa amin and immersion, nag-accept din kami ng mga immersion. Yan, immersion program. And let's go to Starbooks or the digital library in a box. Ayan, digital library ng ating DUST. So to know more, ayan. So what is the, ano ba ang objective ng DUST Starbooks? So DUST Starbooks objective, number 1, is to create interest in the field of science and technology, which may increase the number of Filipinos enrolling in science and technology courses. Next is to encourage great and curious minds to develop new ideas, inventions, and innovations. And last, to inspire one capacity for entrepreneurship and research. So ang idea, we transform the library from analog to digital. And Starbooks is named as the Philippines' first S&T digital library in a box. By the way, ang meaning ng Starbooks is science and technology, academic and research-based, openly operated kiosk. You can also screenshot these contact details, ayan. And pwede nyo rin na i-save para in case na may kailangan kayo with the Starbooks team, madali nyo silang makontak. So these are the features of Starbooks, multiple access. So unlike sa physical book, which is 1:1, so kung isang libro, isa yung pwedeng gumamit, with Starbooks, through connecting to the local area network, ayan, pwede nang magkaroon ng multiple access. So offline, hindi mo kailangan ng internet connection to access the offline version ng Starbooks. Transportable, madali siyang ilipat, and pinakamahalaga, siya ay libre. So free installation. Just to share some of the photos na literal na tinatawid ang ilog at inaakyat ang bundok just to deliver science and technology information to our communities. And ang Starbooks ay award-winning program. Starting 2015 up to present. Ano ba ang makikita nyo sa Starbooks? So what we have in Starbooks are the following contents. So we have Tamang Doskarte, livelihood videos. We have science for CPER communities. We have the issues of men and women of science. Pinoy Science, ayan mga information in Pinoy Science, nuclear technologies, mga DUST technologies, today in Philippine Science, S&T News, past and current issues ng Philippine Journal of Science. We have math and science educational videos, mga investigatory projects, thesis and dissertations ng ating mga DUST scholars, S&T encyclopedias, K-12 materials, DUSTV programs, agriculture, information on agriculture, food and nutrition, energy, freedom of information, and also COVID-19. Ayan, so mag-sample tayo ng isang content. So sample natin yung K-12 material. So this is our content for K-12 material. So meron tayong contents from grade 1, ayan, hanggang grade 10, hanggang senior high, and meron din materials or contents for collection, college general education, reviewer for PISA and TEAMS. Kung napansin nyo, hindi lang talaga siya for science. Kasi kung nakita nyo dito, ayan, meron ding mga contents for social studies, aralin panlipunan, arts, health, music, physical education, English grammar, and Filipino grammatica. So example, mag-open tayo ng isa. So this is a content for grade 9 science. Ayan, first quarter. Kung napansin nyo, meron na siyang lesson file and quiz file. So sa mga teachers natin dyan, pwede nyo magamit ang ating K-12 resources na nasa Starbooks. So this is a sample of the slides, lesson slide for grade 9 science, a sample of the quiz, and an example of an activity. Yan, di ba kumpletong-kumpleto na siya. Merong lesson file, meron siyang quiz file, merong activity. So, for on-site users, sabi ko kanina, ang offline version, this is free installation for the schools, public libraries, livelihood center, barangay learning center. So, kung wala pang Starbucks sa inyo, magpa-install na kayo. So, paano ba? Just email a request letter addressed to our director. So, isend nyo lang dito sa starbooks@stii.dust.gov.ph. You can also email sa dust.starbooks@gmail.com. Yan. For online version naman, habang naghihintay kayo ng installation ng offline version ng Starbucks, you can use the online version. So, paano naman to? So, gawin nyo lang, punta lang kayo sa starbooks.ph, create kayo ng account. So, after nyo makapag-create na account, log in kayo, and you will have free access to Starbucks content through the Starbucks online portal. Yan, di ba? Dali lang rin. So we also disseminate S&T information through publications. Nabanggit ko kanina, we have our own publications. At lahat na to ay libre, pwede nyo ma-download sa aming website at stii.dust.gov.ph. So isa-isahin natin yung mga publications. We have the Philippine Journal of Science, which is the oldest scientific peer-reviewed journal in the Philippines. So first issue niya was published in 1906. And this is a quarterly publication published by DUST-STAI. So ano bang makikita nyo inside Philippine Journal of Science? So we have here research outputs on natural sciences, engineering, mathematics, and social sciences. So kung naghahanap kayo mga related lead about the following topics, pwede nyong gamitin ang Philippine Journal of Science. We also have the S&T Post, which is a quarterly publications of DUST. Ayan, DUST-STI. Kung naghahanap kayo ng mga news, updated news on science and technology, pwede nyo gamitin as reference ang S&T Post. For DUST Digest, this is a monthly publications of DUST. So newsletter natin siya in English language. So it provides condensed, easy to read science and technology news stories which caters to students and professionals on the go. It contains the most recent technologies and happenings in the local S&T community with compelling photos and images on a full-color 4-page newsletter. Kung naghahanap naman kayo ng Tagalog, ayan, we also have the Balitang Rapidos. So again, this is a monthly publication of DUST written in the Filipino language. And we have the Starbucks Insider, a biannual newsletter publication of DUST-STI. Kung gusto nyong malaman ano ba ang latest news about Starbucks, which is the digital science library in a box, ayan, download nyo na ang Starbucks Insider. And then, if you are curious kung ano bang mga contributions na ating mga experts and scientists in the field of S&T, you can use SPEARS or the Specialized Philippine Enterprise Reference of Experts and Scientists. So originally published to as the Philippine Men of Science in 1964. And to adopt a gender-sensitive title, the publications was renamed as the Philippine Men and Women of Science in 2013. So anong makikita nyo inside SPEARS? So these publications provide biobibliographic information of Filipino scientists and experts, which serves as a specialized reference for the public. And then we have the Philippine Science and Technology Abstracts or PSTA. Kung naghahanap kayo ng source book reference, kung ano ba yung mga abstracts of local S&T published researches in the Philippines, ayan, mga local S&T published researches, you can use PSTA. So this is a semi-annual publication of DUST-STII. So, lahat ng DUST-STII publications are all free for full text download sa aming website at stii.dust.gov.ph. Ayan. Click nyo lang yung products and projects And then under doon, merong SNT publications. Pagka-click nyo nun, identify nyo lang kung anong publication yung gusto nyong i-download. Ayan. And also, sa ating pong mga librarian and mga teacher, kung gusto nyo pong mapasama sa aming mailing list, you can subscribe to the mailing list. Just go to tinyurl.com/DUST newsletters para every time po na may new copy, may new publication tayo, mapapadalan po kayo. And then we also promote SNT information through mobile app. So lahat po na to ay free for download at Google Play Store. Just type DUST STII. So isa-isahin din natin yan. If you are always on the go and gusto nyong makita ang mga past and current issues ng Philippine Journal of Science, just download PJS mobile app. If you want to watch mga programs ng DUSTV, you can download DUSTV mobile app. And for news on science and technology, you can download science.ph mobile app. For the projects, mga latest projects, events, news on DUST, you can download DUST Philippines app. We challenge you to take the quiz. You can download Starbooks quiz app. So meron ditong 10 questions and every question meron trivia na lalabas regarding that specific question. And we also have the Starbooks mobile app. Kanina nabanggit ko yung offline version and then yung online version. Ito naman yung mobile app version ng Starbooks. Yan. And kung gusto nyong malocate where is the nearest Starbooks kiosk in your area, you can download Starbooks Finder. And we challenge you also to take the Wiz app. Kung gusto nyo i-challenge yung inyong mga kabarkada, mga ka-classmate, you can download Starbooks Wiz. And for self-guided tour inside the DUST STII library, you can download Star Library app or the Science and Technology Augmented Reality Library app. So paano ba tong Star Library app? To know more about this, let's all watch this short video.
We need to look for SNT materials for our research paper.
And it's our first time here at the DOST STII library.
That's okay. You can easily navigate the DOST STII library through the DOST STII Star Library app or the Science and Technology Augmented Reality Library app.
Really? That sounds cool. Can you tell us more about it? It is an augmented reality app, a fun and interactive way to help you navigate the DOST STII library.
There are markers within the library embedded with augmented reality, so when a smartphone installed with the Star Library app is used, there will either be a text, an audio, or video pop-out telling you about that part of the library. This app will help and guide the user while inside the library.
Wow, the app definitely sounds useful and fun. But is it easy to use?
Of course, the app's interface is user-friendly and attractive, thanks to Smarty the mascot.
What's more fun is that it has a gaming feature that encourages users to visit the DOST STII library and read more books. That feature is perfect for us.
Indeed. The Star Library app features an interactive tour within the library.
The app will be very helpful for first-time DOST STII library users like me because it will lessen navigation time of locating a specific area of the library.
I do agree, as it will also cater to the growing number of on-site DOST STII library visitors.
Now this will definitely help us save time in finding SNT materials for our research paper. We can finish and submit our paper earlier.
Oh, by the way, where can I download the app?
You can download the Star Library app at the Google Play Store for free.
For free? Wow, thanks for recommending this app. Now let's use it to navigate where the Filipiniana unit first, then proceed to the General Reference and Foreign Titles unit. So, how did you find the Star Library app? Oh, it was very helpful and we easily found the S&T materials that we needed. That's great. With the Star Library app, we aim to make your library visit the most enjoyable, engaging experience.
Download the Star Library app now and visit us here at DOST STII Library.
Tour the library and visit all the markers, then answer the trivia that will pop out and get a chance to win DOST STII Library tokens.
Like, follow, or contact us through our social media pages, email, or phone numbers as seen on your screen.
Ayan, so yun ang Star Library app. So again, all of our mobile apps are all free for download at Google Play Store. Just type DOST STII at the search bar. And pagka-type niyo dyan, lalabas lahat ng mga mobile apps ng DOST STII. And then we disseminate S&T information through our website. So isa-isahin din natin ang ating mga website. So we have PhilJournal sci.dost.gov.ph for Philippine Journal of Science website. For the programs ng DOSTV, we have DOSTV.ph. For Science.ph, ayan, we have Science.ph. Napakadaling maalala. And then for Spears, we have Spears.dost.gov.ph. For the Starbooks, ayan, just go to portal.starbooks.ph. And lahat ng link na yan sa aming mga website ay makikita nyo sa aming website at stai.dost.gov.ph. We also disseminate S&T information through social media. So please like and follow us sa aming mga Facebook page, sa aming Instagram account, Twitter, and sa aming TikTok. Ayan. And also please subscribe sa aming YouTube channel. Ito yung mga YouTube channel namin. And we disseminate S&T information through broadcasting. So we are inviting you na i-visit po ang Facebook page ng DOSTV PH and DOSTV Science for the People YouTube channel para sa mga programs ng DOSTV. So we have Expert Talk, we have DOST Report, Bantay Bulkan, Siyensikat, Pinoy Popular Science para sa lahat, and Balitang Rapidos. And yung last mandate namin, we undertake training on science and technology information. So we are inviting you to request a session with us. Ayan, yung Science Journal Ako. Or you can request a session para sa Science Journalism Training Workshop. Ayan, right up. Ayan. So to request a session with us, just email po ang Science Journal Ako team at sciencejournalako@gmail.com. Yan, sana makapag-request kayo ng session with us. And kung meron kayong mga tanong, ayan, na hindi masasagot mamaya sa Q&A, for example, nakalimutan nyo, ayan, so natapos yung session, meron pa rin kayong tanong regarding sa DOST. So we have DOST Infos or Bilis, impormasyong masaligan at mabilis, isa itong online client service na sumasagot sa mga katanungan tungkol sa mga programa, proyekto, produkto at serbisyo ng DOST. To know more about DOST Infos or Bilis, let us all watch this short video.
Pangarap ko talaga magkaroon ng sarili kong negosyo. Kaso, bago matupad yon, kailangan ko muna ng makinarya at financial assistance.
Pangarap ko maging scientist balang araw. Kaso lang, alam kong gipit si Enay ngayon. Saan kaya mayroong scholarship? Kung mayroon lang sana mapagtatanungan kung saan pwedeng humingi ng tulong. Hanggang sa nasagot nga ang aking mga kahilingan.
Inihahandog ng Department of Science and Technology ang isang Unified Information Delivery System na DOST InfoServilis. Isa itong online client service na layong sagutin ang anumang katanungan nyo na may kinalaman sa mga gawain, proyekto at serbisyo ng DOST. InfoServilis ay para sa mga estudyante, scholarship grantees, professionals, mga mananaliksik, inventor, CNT teachers, at volunteers. Maaari ka magtanong tungkol sa mga scholarships, laboratorio, research grants, at call for proposals. Maaari magtungo sa aming official Facebook page para gamitin ang InfoServilis. At i-click lamang ang message now at dadaling ka nito sa aming Facebook chat at pwede ka nang magtanong na may kinalaman sa DOST. Maaari ka rin magtungo at magtanong sa DOST Philippines Facebook page. Inulunsad ang DOST InfoServilis dahil layunin nitong matulungan ka tulad ni Igan at Liz. Ang dali at ang bilis, di ba? Ano pang hinihintay mo? Magtanong na sa aming go-to communication platform, DOST InfoServilis. I-like at i-follow ang aming official Facebook page para sa iba pang mga impormasyon. Maaari din kaming makontak sa email na makikita sa iyong screen. Para sa impormasyong masaligan at mabilis, DOST InfoServilis.
Ayan. So, iyon ang DOST InfoServilis. So, thank you for listening. Again, kung may mga question kayo, pwede kayong magtanong sa DOST InfoServilis. So, again, this is Linder Lit M. Maglaki. So, Linder for short. So, let's stay connected. Contact us now. Hintayin po namin ang inyong mga requests. Thank you!
Thank you very much, Ma'am Linda, for that insightful presentation again. We would like to remind everyone po that we will be having a dedicated Q&A portion later in the program. So for now, reserve all your questions at mamaya po i-entertain at sasagutin namin yan isa-isa. Moving on to our next discussion, we are pleased to welcome Ms. Irene A. Brillo, Science Research Specialist 2, assigned at the Reader Services section. Let's give her a warm virtual welcome. Now, Irene.
Ayan, sige. Good afternoon, everyone. Again, I'm Miss Irene, and I'll be running you through how to navigate our online public access catalog as mentioned by Miss Grace and Miss Linda. So let me just share my screen. Okay. So as mentioned a while back, let me just, Okay, so as mentioned a while back, our website is signet.dost.gov.ph. So for now, siguro kapag nag-visit po kayo sa site, lalabas siya na not secure yung site, which indeed is true. But we are working on the security feature. So kaya po, when you navigate our online public access catalog, wala pong login credentials for us to avoid collecting any personal data from you. Okay? Yan. So, katulad din ng nabanggit kanina, just go to signet.dost.gov.ph and then click Visit OPAC. So, ito yung makikita ninyo. Now, the DOST Union Catalog or the Signet Catalog is a union catalog of the different DOST system. Kaya po, naglagay po kami dito ng filter. Ayan. So, dito po sa location, makikita nyo po yung mga nabanggit ni Ma'am Grace kanina na different DOST attached agencies including the regional offices. So kaya po kapag gagamit po kayo nito for us to be able to give the material that you need, make sure na ang pipiliin nyo po dito na location is STII. And we have other filters. Ito po ay kung halimbawa title po, meron kayong specific title na hinahanap, you can just click title, or kung meron po kayong author na hinahanap, pwede din po yung author, or kung subject or keyword siya, pwede din po dito. And then sa mga maalam sa mga call numbers, pwede din po dito. So we are currently using the Library of Congress classification number. Yan. And then we have different types of materials that we collect in the library, as also mentioned a while back by Ms. Linder. So we have here articles, we have here books. Well, articles, these are research articles, and then books, investigatory projects. I'm not sure if you have already done one. And then we have non-prints, reprints, serials. These are magazines and journals. And then technical reports or project reports. We also have here thesis and dissertations of our DOST scholars. And then we have vertical files. So, pwede nyo pong piliin yung all type kung gusto nyong makahanap. For example, meron kayong topic, specific topic in mind. Pwede pong all material type na lang kung gusto nyong mas marami yung ilabas. So, let us just try to look for material related to the topic on differential equation. So just type in the topic and then click search. And ayan, you will receive the results. So ganito po yung labas niya, 135 results found. And then we have here quick view. So for the quick view, ganito po yung labas niya. Yan, ang makikita ninyo. And then for the full catalog, ayan, you will be directed to another tab. At makikita niyo po yung mas maraming detail ng material. So ang gagawin po natin, okay, so let's try. So, ito po ay non-print siya. This one is thesis naman. For thesis and dissertations, we can only provide you with the abstract. So, let's check this one. For some thesis, nakalagay po yung full abstract nila. Sa ibang thesis naman po, ay mga very short and brief lang na abstract. So, if you want to read yung full abstract ng thesis, ang gagawin nyo lang po, you will just copy this one, itong complete title ng thesis, the author, or katulad din ng sinabi ni Ma'am Linder, you can just screenshot this one and then send us via email yung itong na-screenshot nyo na to. So you attach it to your email and then we will send back the abstract of the thesis. So this is due to intellectual and copyright laws. So hindi natin pwedeng ibigay sa inyo yung buong thesis, no? But thesis and dissertations are accessible on-site. So kung in case nasa college na kayo and gusto nyo pong ma-browse yung ating mga thesis material, you can physically visit us and we will be happy to accommodate you. Ayan. So, ito po yung iba. Ito naman is article. So, ibig sabihin, this is a research. Yan yung kanyang quick view. And then, makikita nyo po yung journal title nyo dyan. And then, for the full catalog, ganito yung labas din niya. So, you can just copy the details and then send to library@stii.dost.gov.ph or you can just screenshot this one, katulad kanina. So, ganun lang po yung gagawin natin. And that's a very simple way how to navigate our online public access catalog, no? So, feel free to key in your questions while my presentation is ongoing. Ayan. And another database that I'd like to show you is our subscription on Science Direct. So, just type sciencedirect.com. This is a subscription. So, ang gagawin po natin for this database, katulad din po nung ginagawa natin kanina sa dito sa SciNet. So, you will just type in here your the keywords or the specific terms that you want to study. And then, kung meron din kayong author in mind, naghahanap kayo ng articles written by this author, pwede din naman po dito. So, for example, dito, ano ba ang topic ninyo ngayon? So for example, cell theory. So for cell theory, ayan. Ayan po. So just for the information of everyone, ScienceDirect.com offers open access materials also. So ibig sabihin po ng open access materials, pwede nyo na pong mabasa yung full text ng material. So example ng open access ay ito. So you can just view the PDF. So makikita nyo na po siya. Now for materials like, ayan, so diba, mas marami. Ayan, for materials naman, katulad po ng mga ito na walang nakalagay na ganyan, ito naman po yung mga i-request po ninyo sa amin. So, the same po, you will just copy for example, gusto nyo po itong basahin. Ayan, you can just copy this one. Ito, itong DOI, mas mabilis hanapin. Or you can just screenshot this one, tapos isend nyo pa din po sa email natin. That's library@stii.tost.gov.ph. Ganun po. Now, we recommend also using, for example po, for example po, naghahanap po kayo ng mga locally published materials, pwede din po kayong magpunta sa ejournals.ph. Although ejournals.ph ay hindi po managed ni DOST STII. But we recommend this one para sa mga local researches naman. So marami po ditong partner academic schools and organizations kung saan sila nagpapublish ng mga scholarly materials and articles that can be of help in doing your research. I believe meron kayong practical research ngayon since nasa grade 11 kayo, although I'm not sure. Yung iba, capstone sila, yung iba ay practical research. So, pwedeng-pwede po ninyo itong magamit, especially kung ang mga studies nyo ay locally or located within the locality, yon. So, for example, about wines, ano yung mga possible na gawing wines, ganun. Pwedeng-pwede po kayong mag-search dito sa ejournals.ph. And then, kung may mga materials din po dito na hindi nyo po mabasa, like, try natin. So, banana wine. So, for example po, may, ayan, so ganyan po yung labas niya. And, okay. Yan. So, yung iba po, meron na siyang full text. So, same po ito sa Science Direct na meron siyang full text and, meron siyang open access and restricted access. So, sa mga restricted access, you can still send us and we will see if we can be able to send it back to you. Pero ang main na ginagamit po natin is the SciNet and the Science Direct. So, ayun, if you want to request specific materials and articles, just feel free to message us or kung halimbawa po both dito sa SciNet and sa Science Direct, wala po kayong mahanap na article para doon po sa inyong mga researches, just send us an email. Sabihin niyo lang sa amin, naghahanap kami ng material on this specific topic. Kung meron kayong mabibigay sa amin ng materials, then we will try our best to help you para sa inyong mga related literature. Okay po, ayan. So, I guess that ends my part. I'm giving back the screen to Miss Grace.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Irene, for that informative presentation. Again po, for those who would like to request from us, just visit our website, the SciNet po, and send your email regarding your library material request. Okay, now that we have concluded all the presentations, we will proceed with the question and answer portion. Pinakahihintay po. No? If you have questions, please feel free to raise them and we will respond right away. So I have collected here one question from Sir George. Does DOST offer scholarships for students enrolled in private secondary school? Ma'am Linder?
Hello. Hello again. Good afternoon, everyone. So, Sir George, ayan. So, nag-o-offer po ang Science Education Institute. So, as mentioned po kanina ni Miss Grace, di ba, inisa-isa niya lahat yung yung ating mga attached agency. So, every December po nag-e-end ang application for ating undergraduate scholarship. So, follow nyo lang po ang DUST SEI, yung ating social media account ng DUST SEI para po sa updates and announcement kung kailan po sila naglalabas ng kanilang application for undergraduate scholarship. So ngayon po kasi, chinek ko po yung kanilang social media, nag-e-exam na po kasi yung ating mga qualified na applicants. So Sir George, this year po, abangan niyo po yung announcement po nila kung kailan po uli yung application. Para po yung mga students po natin, makapag-apply po sila. Yan. So may additional question pa po ba kayo, Sir George? Ayan, yun. So thank you po.
And also, in addition po, Ma'am Linder, no, tumatanggap rin po ang SEI ng application from graduate students po, masteral and doctoral students po for scholarship grants. Okay. May iba pa po bang katanungan from our students po? Pwede po kayong magtanong. I-type nyo lang po ang question ninyo sa ating chat box. Sir George, meron po bang katanungan for our presenters?
So far, none po.
Okay po, napaka-exig po ng ating Q&A, pero dahil wala na pong katanungan, still po we can answer your questions. Sa screen nyo yung aming mga contact information. You may send your questions po through our email address, sa aming Facebook page, and aming pong mga website. Alright. As there are no further questions, let's continue with the program. So the DOST STII is dedicated to gender and development initiatives. And as part of our commitment, let us all watch this video from the Philippine Commission on Women.
Ang mga katutubong Pilipino kaibanan sa pagsiguro kan magkakanigong pag-asenso.
Bilang isang Muslim, ipinagmamalaki ko ang aking pananampalataya. Naniniwala ako na hindi dapat maging hadlang ang magkakaibang paniniwala sa pagsulong ng kaunlaran para sa lahat.
Naniniwala ako na ang mga miyembro ng LGBTQ community ay may kani-kaniyang kakayahan at talentong kapaki-pakinabang sa lipunan. Ang respeto at paggalang sa bawat miyembro ng lipunan, anuman ang kasarian, ay susi tungo sa pantay na oportunidad para sa lahat.
Hindi hadlang ang aking kapansanan upang maging produktibo at makilahok sa gawain pang komunidad.
Ang partisipasyon ng mga taong may kapansanan sa usapin at isyong pambansa ay nakatutulong sa paghubog ng aming sariling kakayahan at sa pagkamit ng lipunang pantay at inklusibo.
Kaming mga kababaihan sa kabukidan ay may dakulang ambag sa komunidad, lalong-lalo na sa pangataman kang kapalibutan asin ang kasiguruhan sa pagkakain. Kung kaya kami nangangapudan sa pantay na pagtratar sa kinukuanan kang natural na yaman asin sa pagtaon ng serbisyo sa salud asin kabatiran.
Kaming mga kabataan ay hindi lang para sa kinabukasan. Kami rin ay para sa kasalukuyan. Sa pamamagitan ng mga makabagong platforms katulad ng social media, na ipapahayag namin ang aming boses at opinyon tungkol sa mga napapanahong isyu na may epekto sa amin. May karapatan din kami na makilahok sa mga gawaing pangkaularan dahil dito nakasalalay ang aming kinabukasan.
Bilang isang kawani ng gobyerno, tungkulin kong magsilbi ng tapat, parangal at mahusay para sa bayan ko at sa aking mga kapwa Pilipino.
Makikitungo ako ng pantay at makatarungan sa lahat ng lumalapit sa aming tanggapan.
Patuloy kong iaangat ang antas ng paglilingkod at sisikapin kong iparamdam sa mamamayan
ang dekalidad na serbisyo sa bayan.
Kahit anong lahi,
Kahit anong relihiyon,
Kahit anong katayuan sa buhay.
Kahit anong kasarian,
Kahit anong pinagmulan,
Kahit anong edad,
Kahit anong propesyon.
walang dapat maiwan.
Kaya magsama-sama tayong siguruhin ang pantay na karapatan
at oportunidad.
Para sa lahat.
kami ang Generation
Equality.
Okay, very timely po yung presentation because this month, March, ay tayo po nagsiselebrate ng Women's Month. Okay, may dalawa pong humabol na katanungan. Maaari pa din po ba nating i-entertain, Ma'am Linder?
Yes, Grace.
Okay po. From Corpus Christi, can scholars pursue further studies like master's or doctorate under DOST support?
Yan, as mentioned ni Miss Chris kanina, may additional info. Aside sa undergraduate scholarship, nag-offer din po ang DUST for graduate scholarship. So, pwede kayong mag-pursue ng inyong mga master's and doctorate degree. Ayan. So, just follow the DUST SEI social media and also yung shinare ni Miss Irene na science-scholarship.ph. And Miss Irene, may additional ka?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, kasama din po yung mga nasa second year college po ngayon. Yun, pwede po silang mag-apply sa junior level scholarship program naman po. So, ang scholarship po na ino-offer ni DOST is meron tayong pang freshman, meron tayong pang third year college students. So incoming po yun. And then meron po tayong pang master's and pang doctorate degree. So sa master's and doctorate naman po, pwede pong local or pwede pong international. Bisitahin niyo lang po yung website po ni DOST Science Education Institute para sa mga requirements and sa mga priority courses nila.
Alright. Thank you po, Ma'am Linder. Thank you po, Ma'am Irene.
Ayan, kasama na dyan dun yung nasagot na rin siguro dun yung list of courses. Ayan, nandun na yun, kasama na yun dun. And then yung may pahabol na isa, does your site provides free access to all in terms of resources? Ayan, so nabanggit kanina dun sa first presentation kung ano yung mga available resources na ino-offer namin. So siguro hindi lang namin mapoprovide sa inyo yung free access sa aming mga dissertations, saka mga thesis and investigatory projects. Kasi yung access doon, yung full access doon sa aming mga types of materials na yon ay for on-site lang, for inside use lang namin. So, yon. And additional from Irene, Miss Irene.
Ma'am, just to clarify po yung access, you will be given access po dun sa bibliographic record po ng material. Pero yung full text po ng material, yun po yung ipapadala po namin sa inyo. So, I missed to include po kanina na kapag books po yung ni-request po ninyo, hindi po namin ipapadala yung buong libro. But what we will do is we will be sending back the table of contents of the book. Tapos pipili po kayo doon kung ano yung specific na chapter na gusto nyong basahin, and then yun lang po yung ipapadala po namin sa inyo. So for online material requests, we are given a maximum of 8 working hours to respond to your queries po. So kapag sa mga books po, especially foreign books na hindi pa po siya readily scanned, i-scan pa po namin kung ano yung chapter na kailangan ninyo, and then yun lang po yung ipapadala po namin. So we will respond within 8 working hours, and then kung available po yung ating scanning operator or scanner operator po, maipapadala din po namin yung material. Basta as soon as possible po, we will do our best to give yung material po na kailangan ninyo.
Okay. Ma'am Linder, Ma'am Irene, how about this po? Have we answered this po? Can non-STEM students apply for a DOST scholarships?
Pwede pong mag-apply yung mga non-STEM students provided that they are part of the top 5% of the whole graduating class. So kailangan po, for example, nasa ABM na strand po sila, kailangan po nasa top 5% po sila. And then, dalawa po yung scholarship type na ino-offer. Meron po yung isang Republic Act and for merit scholarship. Sa merit scholarship po, ang basis po talaga nila is grades po. Hindi tinitingnan yung income or yung status ng family. Doon po sa RA naman po, sa Republic Act na isang type of scholarship, yun po yung kinoconsider nila kung ano po yung status or financial status ng family. Pero hindi po yun nire-require kaagad doon sa, kapag nag-apply po sila, lahat po sila ay required to submit yung BIR form para po makita kung ano yung, kung saan sila papasok na type of scholarship. So CSEI po yung nagdi-determine nun based po doon sa ibibigay po ninyo na or ng student na requirements po doon. And usually po, nagbubukas yung para sa ating mga incoming freshmen, nagbubukas po yung scholarship tuwing September hanggang December po. And then ini-encourage po namin na mag-apply po yung mga bata between September to November. Kasi po pag December, marami na po yung sabay-sabay na nagpapasok ng kanilang mga requirements sa system. So, nagkakaroon po ng traffic mismo sa system. Kaya po yung iba, nagfe-fail yung uploading ng kanilang mga requirements. So, ang gagawin po, kung hindi naman po kumpleto yung mga requirements pa ng mga bata by November, okay pa din po na register na sila para ma-receive nila kung ano yung susunod na instruction. So, unang-una po, kailangan muna nilang mag-register po doon sa scholarship website. And then, aantayin po nila yung email ni Science Education Institute to proceed to the next step. So, first step pa lang po yung paggawa ng account doon sa website. Kailangan din po, hindi nila makalimutan yung email na ginamit nila at kung ano po yung password. Diyan po karamihan, nagkakaroon ng problem yung mga bata. So, bali po with the info service na nabanggit po ni Ma'am Linder kanina, kami din po yung tumatanggap ng mga queries ng students about sa scholarship at kadalasan po yun yung nagiging challenge po sa kanila na nakalimutan na po nila kung ano yung email na ginamit, ano po yung password nila, so hindi po nila mabuksan ulit yung account. Kaya po, lagi po naming nire-remind sa mga students na kailangan isulat na nila yung email, kung ano po yung email na ginamit nila, kung ano po yung password na ginamit nila, tapos lagi pong mag-check sa kanilang email na ginamit para doon sa mga updates ni Science Education Institute. Yung iba po napupunta sa spam folder. So, kailangan din po nilang i-check yon yung mga bata para po sure na matanggap nila kung ano yung next step na binigay sa kanila ni Science Education Institute.
Okay po, marami pong salamat Ma'am Irene, Ma'am Linder. Pero ito ma'am, panigurado gusto po nilang malaman, no? Meron po bang financial support kapag ikaw ay DOST scholar?
Oh yes. Meron po for students sa college, yung tuition fee, actual tuition fee, covered na po yun kung sa private po sila papasok. And then, may stipend po na ngayon ay 8,000 pesos monthly. And then, may book allowance, may thesis grant din po para sa pag magpo-fourth year college na kayo at meron na kayong thesis, meron din po yun. So, covered po lahat yung magagastos po ninyo. And then, kasi for example, yung school nyo ay nandito sa Manila at nandyan po kayo sa home province, meron po kayong, may binibigay din po na financial assistance si Science Education Institute na one way. Once a month, once in a semester yata, na pauwi sa inyo tsaka pabalik ng Manila. Yun, meron po yan. Kasama yan sa benefit na makukuha.
Okay, marami pong salamat, Ma'am Irene. Ma'am Linder, may karagdagan po ba kayo?
Sige, ganito na lang po, Miss Grace. So, kung may mga katanungan po sila about sa scholarship, pwede pa din naman po natin silang ma-accommodate through Info Servilis or DOST Philippines. So, pwede po kayong mag-visit sa Facebook page ni DOST Philippines, tapos send po kayo ng message doon, or hanapin niyo si Info Servilis, send kayo ng message doon, or Facebook page ni STII Library, pwede din po kayo doon.
Okay, thank you po, Ma'am Irene. Thank you po, Ma'am Linder. Wala na po bang katanungan from LaSalle Academy? Okay. Okay, now, we would like to request for a group photo po. Please enable your cameras and our IT tech support will capture the screenshot po. So, ready na po ba ang lahat? We would like to request po to open your cameras for a quick photo op po. Sir George? Ayan, nakikita ko na po. Open na ang camera ni Ma'am Antonieta Baliling. What about the others po? Okay. Yung isa po, ceiling lang ang nakikita. Pwede po bang pakibaba ng konti yung... Ayan, thank you so much po. Okay. Ayan, yung isa rin po, isang class, okay. How about Ma'am Jocelyn Maglinte po? Pwede pong makikisuyo, paki-open po ang camera. Okay, di ko pa makita si Sir George. Alright. Ayan, si Sir George, open na. Okay po, so...
Ready po.
Okay, we are all
Smile
ready.
po.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Isa pa po. 1. Ready po. 1, 2, 3. Okay na po. Salamat po.
Salamat po, Sir Mike. Okay, again, may we remind everyone that we are providing an e-certificate of attendance to all participants who successfully submitted their accomplished evaluation form. The e-certificate of attendance will be sent to the email address that you have provided in the evaluation form 15 working days after this program po. May I call on Ma'am Jocelyn C. Maglinte po, the school principal of Corpus Christi Parochial School of Iligan, to give us a short closing message. Ma'am, you're recognized po. Mukhang mahina po ang connection ni Ma'am Maglinte. Ma'am Maglinte, can you hear us po? Ma'am Maglinte. Sir George? Naka-mute po kayo, sir.
Kasi Ma'am Maglinte, naka-unmute po.
Naka-unmute daw po si Ma'am Maglinte. Okay. Sir, hello po, Ma'am Maglinte. I think Sir George, she's having poor internet connection po, no? can you at least share with us na lang po yung kanyang closing message if you have a copy? Hintayin lamang po natin ang update po, ano? Alright, so habang hinihintay po natin ang closing message ni Ma'am Jocelyn Maglinte, visit us po. You can visit our online platforms. Andyan po sa presentation, sa lower portion po ang aming contact information. Okay?
Hello?
Hello, Ma'am Jocelyn Maglinte.
Hello po, ma'am. Marinig niyo po ba ako?
Yes, ma'am. You are audible po. Maayong hapon po.
Na po ako sa cellphone kasi ayaw maggumana yung PC.
Yes,
Sorry po
ma'am.
sa inconvenience.
It's okay po, ma'am. You may now give your closing remarks po.
Sige po. Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of our students and CCPSI faculty, we extend our deepest gratitude for the insightful and exciting webinar on the DOST library programs, which are all helpful to both teachers and learners. Your expertise and dedication truly enrich our understanding, providing them with valuable knowledge and practical insights that they can apply in their studies and future endeavors and to our school-based as well. We appreciate the effort you put into making the session interactive and informative. And we commend the DOST STI library team in collaboration with the LaSalle Academy library team for organizing such a well-structured and meaningful learning experience. Our students found the discussion particularly enlightening, especially on the different apps from the DOST library, which are all helpful and useful to everyone. Thank you once again for your time and generosity in sharing your knowledge and expertise. We look forward to future collaborations and more opportunities for learning with you. Thank you po and God bless everyone.
Thank you so much po, Ma'am Jocelyn Maglinte, School Principal of Corpus Christi Parochial School of Iligan. We hope to see you po next time in person kung makaka-visit po kayo dito sa amin. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. Andito na po ako.
Yes po. Thank you so much po.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone for choosing Corpus, also one of your participants. We look forward for some other activities that we have. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much po, ma'am. Someone from CCPSI is raising their hand.
Teacher Marites.
Yes po, ma'am. You are recognized. Hello po from CCPSI. Are you raising your hands po? Do you have question?
Sorry, ma'am. No question.
Okay po. Thank you so much po. And now we have some announcement to share po. Next slide, please. The DOST STII library po ceased operations started last week po on March 5, 2025 to give way for a comprehensive inventory of its collection. So the reopening date is to be announced upon completion of the inventory work. So approximately po it would run until June. Stay tuned po sa aming mga official Facebook social media accounts for further information po as to when will the library reopen. Okay? Now, apologies po for the temporary closure as we work to serve you better. Yes, on your screen po, we are inviting everybody to please answer the evaluation form by typing in the link to your browser or by clicking the link provided in the chat box, or you can just scan the QR code po, no? You are given 5 minutes to answer the evaluation form. So you may start na po, mag-answer po muna tayo ng ating evaluation link para makareceive po kayo ng e-certificate of attendance. Three more minutes po. Again, mahalaga pong sagutan ang ating evaluation link para kayo po ay makareceive ng e-certificate of attendance. Two more minutes. And time is up. That's a wrap. A huge thank you to La Salle Academy in Ligat City, Lanao del Norte for letting us bring the online library literacy program from the DOST library to you. We hope you had a blast, learned a thing or two, and are now super excited about libraries. We'd love for you to visit us sometime and explore all the amazing resources we have. This has been Grace, and alongside me, Ma'am Linder, Ma'am Irene, and the MIS IT Tech Support at your service. Thanks a bunch, everyone, and have a good day.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you po.